Hello and welcome to the demo video featuring some of the most important functions and tools in the workflow editor. Most of them, except some bulk operations, are also available in the workflow monitor. In this video, I'll show you how to work with a workflow. I'll pan, I'll zoom, I'll move tasks back and forth, I'll replace tasks, and I will add tasks at the beginning of the workflow. This is my scenario. I have a workflow with many tasks. A group of tasks automates a specific process where something has changed. This is why I must replace one of the tasks. I must also add two tasks at the beginning of the workflow. Finally, I'll have to connect the tasks. This is my workflow. The floating toolbar, on the upper right corner of the canvas, contains graphic tools for designing workflows. It is divided in two parts. The bottom part is the zoom tool. Workflows open in the fit to view mode. If I click the 100% button, the workflow is displayed in the largest zoom level possible. The minus button zooms out, and the plus button zooms in. I can also zoom in and out using the wheel on my mouse, or pressing the plus and minus keys on my keyboard. The three buttons at the top are the Move, the Select, and the Connect tool. By default, when you open a workflow, the Move tool is activated. This lets me move the canvas to focus on the tasks I need. Now, let's have a look at the group of tasks where I have to make the change. I'll press the Fit to View button to see the entire workflow structure again. This is the group of tasks where I want to make a change. First, I press the Select tool. Now I can select them. I'll move them to an empty space in the editor, where I can zoom in and have a closer look at them. First, I click the Move tool. Notice that the tasks are still selected. I'll drag them to another place in the workflow. As you see, as I drag them, the editor indicates that there is not enough space for my group of tasks. If I tried to drop them now, it wouldn't let me. Let's drop them here. As you see, the tasks keep the structure they had in their original location. The connection lines remain as they were. Let's have a closer look at the tasks. I can zoom in, using either the wheel of my mouse, or the plus and minus buttons. The tasks that I select, remain selected while I zoom. This is the task that has to be replaced. I'm going to use the global search field to find the task that will replace it. I start typing the name of the task in the search field. The global search function suggests possible hits. This is it. First, I select it. Then, I drag and drop it over the task I want to replace. Let's bring the tasks back to their original position. First, I click the Select tool. Then, I select the tasks. I click the Move tool. And I move them. I will add two tasks to the workflow now. I want to have them right after the Start node. First, I remove the connection between Start and the first task. Let's make some room for the new tasks. I move the Start node to the left. I will use the global search again to find the tasks that I want to add to the workflow. Now I'll arrange them vertically. I will connect the Start node with the new tasks in bulk. I click the Select tool and select the new tasks. Now, I click the Connect tool to be able to draw the lines. And I draw the line from Start towards the next task. All I have to do now is to connect the new tasks to the next one, and save my workflow. By the way, you can also use shortcuts to perform some of the actions. That was a short video of the workflow editor. You can find more information in our documentation at docs.automic.com.